Hello, I'm Jody Schlaze from Think Easy Bookkeeping, and today I'm going to show you how to change the GST HST in your Canadian Shopify store in preparation for the upcoming GST HST tax break that starts on December 15th. It's easier than you think. Number one is we're going to create a collection. That's step one. So in your Shopify site, head over to collections, and you're going to create a new collection. And you can create it whatever you want. I've just, for this example, created it GST HST 2024 tax holiday break. We're going to go ahead and save that up here. Step two is the collection tax rules. So what we have to do is head down to settings and head over to taxes and duties and into Canada. And we have to put some rules on this collection that we've just created. So if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see product overrides. Go ahead and click in there, and you can click the collection that you just created. So I'm going to click on my GST HST 2024 holiday tax break. And my region is Canada, and I'm going to say 0%. And I'm going to add that override. Now you're going to have to repeat that override for any province in Canada that you send your product to. That is GST HST. So I'm going to add another one just for our example, but you go through all of them. For example, Ontario is an HST province. So I'm going to grab that and I'm going to put a 0% override. So you would repeat that for the Maritimes, for example. Step three is assign the collection. So now we have to assign the collection to the different products. So let me get back over to our main page and head into my products. So for our example today, product A, let's pretend, is a child's toy. And that's going to be GST, HST exempt. So, but my other ones are not adult toys. They're going to be adult t-shirts, so they don't apply to the GST HST rule. So I'm going to go into product A, and which is my GST HST exempt product. I scroll down, and I'm going to add the collection of GST HST. Now that's it. You're done. Anyways, let's go prove what I've just done. All right, so now we're going to choose Alberta. This is where our fictitious customer is from, and I'll throw in really quickly. I will put in a postal code here and see what it will calculate out as. So perfect, $3.25 is our tax, and $78.15 is our total. And so product A, which is the GST HST exempt one, didn't get any tax, but product B and C and shipping did get tax. So let's pretend you've got the customers from BC. So now you got to deal with PST. So we're going to change this to a BC customer, and we're going to throw in their postal code here. And let's see what we get. It's calculating 849, 8339. Perfect. So again, what's happening here is product C is getting GST and PST. Product B is getting GST and PST. Product A, which is exempt, is getting only PST calculated on it. And shipping is getting PST and GST. So awesome. That one worked out really well. Now, this is what's really cool is on February 16th at 1 a.m., you can get up, get yourself your cup of coffee or hot chocolate, and literally delete the collection. That's all you do is you delete the collection, and it will automatically remove it off the product. It will automatically remove it off of those tax exemptions area that we created, tax assignments. And bada bing, bada boom, everything is back to where it was before you even started. I really hope that was helpful. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Let us know if there's any other Shopify finance tutorials you'd like to see. And have a very Merry Christmas.